जब बाला साहब को पूछा गया कि बीजेपी और एनसीपी जो मिल रहे तो आपकी इसके ऊपर क्या प्रतिक्रिया है, तब बाला साहब ने अपने बेबाक अंदाज में कहा कि पॉलिटिक्स में दुष्ट और नीच लोग तो है, पर वो ऐसा कभी नहीं करेंगे। सुनिए उनके ही जुबानी अंग्रेजी में।
But there were talk of Pramod Mahajan and Mr. Sharad Pawar both having meetings and
A meeting
discussions.
is different thing. Even if there is a birthday party or a marriage party, sometime we come face to face, rubaru. We may not talk, but perhaps it can be a shake hand or a namaskar. So that is not what you can say something is going inside, some gunpowder plot is being arranged or no.
But there is talk of if the BJP after the elections having some kind of an understanding or an alliance with the NCP. Do you think that's a possibility?
Possibility in politics what? If it at all, if it is said that is a game of scoundrel, it's for a man to decide whether he wants to remain a gentleman or a scoundrel. How can I stop? If anybody is trying to become a scoundrel, okay. But I will not go along with a scoundrel, whoever he may be. Yes.
जब बाला साहब को पूछा गया कि वो क्या शरद पवार जी और एनसीपी से हाथ मिला सकते हैं, तब बाला साहब ने अपने बेबाक अंदाज में फिर कहा, जो सरकार गिराने में माहिर और जिम्मेदार है उनसे वो हाथ कभी नहीं मिलाएंगे।
But you yourself wouldn't think of aligning perhaps with the NCP if you fall short of seats here?
Never. A simple thing is the man who is responsible for toppling down their government, that is Vajpayee government, how can we afford to have a shake hand with him? I mean, I will never at least. I will never. An enemy is an enemy then.